Hey everybody, this is Jason from RecipeTeacher.com, and we're here today with Chef Gabe Alvarez, who's going to show us the easiest and best way to peel and chop an onion. Gabe?
All right, so we get started by just cutting off the end right here and cutting straight down the center. Using the edge of the knife, peel back some of the skin, remove that outer layer, and we're going to start making some vertical cuts along the onion, getting as close to the back as possible but leaving the root intact.
So you don't cut all the way through, you're still leaving about a ½ inch towards the back root part.
Correct. That'll hold the onion in place. Once you're done with the cuts, turn it this way, and then you just start slicing. If you want small cuts, keep it together, shorter. If you want bigger cuts, go wider.
Awesome, thanks so much, Gabe. Thanks for tuning in to RecipeTeacher.com 101 lesson on how to peel and chop an onion. Thanks, everyone.